morning. Sabah Kamal. Ini link na di naman. I want to go live a little bit here. Good morning. May to talk to Beram Kelly bena PG talo I need to run one. And let's share some topic this morning. Bana topic ni talk bana get share ke tum nuara. If no it ne jog ne one the buban bukon ke let so and happy Sabbath ke ne dia no local wala you know Sabbath morning Saturday ke US. Ye ne dia altin te rondo ke no tiang ke so near India. So when Liam Rodan, I like to go to give a little short video. But call me a video, my talk. So did me jaga gospel, new gospel lyric. Did go you can go play YouTube. So I'm a kid the me got done with that. Me actually doing medicines. The man that new world gill, Jeremiah world gill is doing medical school Cardiff. So I did move along. Good morning, brother Django. Good to see you. So want to go to one topic. Me thought one cheer. Me need thought it's even lyrical. Then Monday talk of what and then we'll just go live. It's a very short video go about make this morning. Tell it a break me thought go la tell the chan me thought tell patient me but in so la tell along. Good morning Yamala. Anything in a gut. China mala jack in take US. Maro Palaga. So anyway, unchen bele janya long butana tin liep kon beken kon liep khel topic go ra balel wala a topic me I think I got to in last time but go ya bala dive in a little bit ka topic ni tin mostly related to nyin man nyaman kon unchen ba disclaim chengan OBGYN ala gwala tin ke deal gani chang emergency medicine jot deal related to emergency medicine especially in near cha go de thang take a tackle a little bit ngaji ja kon deal taran ni man ti ke check do but it's good to ban understand ka kel ke can understand what's going on so topic on break nga wala ban explore ka dio je yo ba than walat ka invitation me come newer empowerment groups tila take social media chala clubhouse by join cha invite ga de kon cha wotin tag nei the one to ngai ke je I think I have a year there take a group of people to do discussion there so nyer tin ta ga monday to clubhouse you can invite and I will speak this afternoon at 3. So the topic ni chere alo kuidian but topic ke la go ya ba to ko gwa mane be wider audience ba ko reach I can't go further a lot of just like par kane kon di altin chi ye kon community chi got kon lose ke few days of this Christmas you know especially ko you are taking out mo go mi cha lost and then we all have a very hard-headed but tell me they let cook the gen ngay tidial so anyway loider tiag along ke je ka ngai je beran the community tiag loider ke je but ku mo live mo kon pan mo kon tell me den balel ban long ni ban chi man ni tin da ba man kana gwan ban ga logo par so again elder brother bolcholo alar jimal in ideology barajin tama bana wo wotin and topic ngo raba rai ke je wala and maybe mi tot ba le thuli ni go dong te ni te ni la guru thuli len kala wati ga bel what did you talk about so So anyway, for my English speaker follower, I'm here to tell you that I'm bringing a topic today on social media. This topic is regarding ovarian cyst, rupture ovarian cyst. We know that this is a female emergency topic. It brings a lot of women to the ER, to their OBGYNs, but I would like for our community to understand what entails of ovarian cyst. What type of cyst is ovarian cyst, and what should they worry about, and why should they seek care as soon as possible. So with that being said, I will revert back to a language, newer language, which is the language that I choose that I'm going to talk, discuss this with. So again, I'm going to can near mare ne dialing quicker. She loyed it near brother Dr. Bol Europe. Chabena 1 minute. I know you like to follow me, and I owe you another topic. Maybe on a lot one day. So that time I thought and time topic and go about right a topic me a little bit sensitive because I jamala link go. But one of the big emergency topic ngade OBGYN nang man one nang emergency room la ja bai take a very high risk along. Sister Nyajok, good to see you, sister. I hope you're doing well with the baby. So for that being said, an topic about right nga wala chen mi chala won mi chala rupture ovarian cyst in nuer jen bole la title yo mi cha fo go amene ala ko chen ne ideal chak che human being ni chak ke kwa ken ke teman ta ka organ den ta wuna ta ka organ ken organ ni ideal to ka rodin jiran chikan ko pen pin wune mani nyin wune ken te chan lat me tar. So you check take a tongue till a rupture every month. Tongue to can corroding la form a can cool period la no. Your period mo yo open me can tuong makan day. Ki can tuong can kurum can yin wood allow bagat you form. So nimu kwa gadap take a tongue dhara takel kuchui takel kucham ka kenyer. So tongue to chỉ cốt cái quyền chỉ cốt cái là thiên là cái chiều chiều ram ngay tung nua đó để cái cho là lăng mấy năm quẹt là thế cái lăng quẹt man phải là thế cái lăng cái but every month tới nhà tung cái cái lăng của mình chiều cái chiều yo mi chỉ pay theo cái bên bu tuong cái bị đục tin yo chỉ đục ba release bên pretending go pay more dong the to the agent pay jig bagatap ke can it chowde big urum gonna chowde and then big gadam deal. But every time it's been and to more la cyst la ja pom ko gwa yin tin la do the la gwa mu hot la mu kam kan to ngor din ka ro ni ti ko bakula ben ka kam la cha la polo bin tube. So and system and why you do tino let's say quan we chere tuong apply tuong la kon ga ko mi tuong remove no kwa tuong mana bi ngai la do la mu la tot wini mi re ovarian but do tin. So the physiology let point your order karade tell me no ko de wo bitere point very void. Allow tell me be a feel. So immediately and go on to on your wood no cha walk up a little tube ko be check the period open but all lot thing a pew. Be pew that a big a lot to walk. Be me like your follicle feeling but lot to walk but tuong logo and go on ko tuong din ko pushing be pew to big a ben. Can pew at all me chick a ben. Because form go what along. Why chinyal period che ro talk. A can to on chiwon nyam about the kind of day. Bigger law rupture, bigger law pan. Can pew at all the ring at a go bigger pen, thin bigger pen, ka fell big there, bigger pen, ray letter there. ko chol re le de ko pal be jen lat ka tung nuara so la pen ke la ti tot but immediately go chi ka pan ken piu to chicken na beje long ko time pen ke la mo la ka time ka ken time in work period so be should take a cramping so like nyala go okay again period cramping you know again kula go be nyal but take a period beje tu left the one man bo be ni joda most of that pain into letter the when me to jok me chi wo be joda me computer japan ka pelvic area tin kuli gen core to one more now take a tanas tila mila chale pathological cyst tila ya form so ne to cyst become a form dong a midhit chale endometrial trauma allow system mo me chikana form la doga mat la instead of tini putin la jida la ma da krem ba tis mo dog ke ba bag mo dog akwa chole bag you know so ko sere ga bag mo ja tinga piu so yo balloon to do mo yo be putin the tin big rodian mat kami cheriam so and mostly la to go kuchwe ke wo now po mo rode slowly bedid the mark ben point ko now che takariam to de chamatin did ro we go mala go ro but delay che ba mal rupture ke time chi nyal period che form ke je all of a sudden dong baro ro je galo che mal rupture ben point to one ke lu be with it pin be we jam dog along you know I think I'll bring a picture of it a little bit kwato so be akwana la ni yo be we ja che ja dog so butuong ko kel ke che ko tong ta ke law ne butuong me na me kuchwe da yo but I think don't be able la kucham kujimi butuong me te kuchwe je ba mu law long baro da nok pin yo che ro da nok pin bi chek be lib de je ka law se ka long bre what work mi che rupture a good period be chi ba che ba do mo me chi tu ka che go be chi ba de che ro da long check it a better long low badge more it's not similar to be to cocaine come mostly la badge quicker don't be kuchwe mo la be kuchwe ke don't be kucham be nyal ben be muy ke nausea che mo ji ke jal tam ko la fever meto la ya form very low grade fever so yo mi wo rupture alo mo wo dia piu to big up piu to one kata di jidien kariam pendien ka fol big floor pendien re lip chek thongomi ako chol lip de ke fol big de ke la de winimi biga belo ko jiran winimi ci ko to patek go tel mi changak tel ti piu to one ke tel mi chriam mi bi nyutin so all of the sentence chang la cheng ne exercise be beje mo be kan alo la gwanda kam ro cho you know be lipchik be red ka be beje long ku chue je mo ka lai da mo je ke jal you know all of sentence the more it deserve bi check mi te yen ga dol wal it was go they check ka emergency room ko be de la be je long you can try to give him some Tylenol. You can try to give him some ibuprofen. Tindial kon kale paracetamol. To the alto sometimes chicken look. La pejelo. So, Mr. Bendual wal, what is happening is la jwa dang jok la ka gur ke go ba ngaji chere ke. Number 1 ba nyam ba tijin go we need to period to payment. When it I mean chi bot cheben most of the time la bot den la re pai bot ben be nyal go che de chure dong da bot but take a chance ko now dong de it ko be jembe ke number 1 be ku chue do ngu dong to ku chue ran te you appendix team ku chue me tel ramada ngajira kan ultrasound kan nelat and no mo chi appendicitis lo chi appendix so be ku chue do one more number 2 ko no mo be very slowly ka en tuong mo me rupture che ovary che ja che did along che dog along te tang one the can rupture la ovary la ja baro the twist a low baro the nyong so mi ovary mi ro the twist then mit bitagam la chala ovarian torsions is very painful and it's very difficult me can treat like check ovary de like the loser keje so ba deal no more an 18 gol keje to no bala ke differential diagnosis rawda min tie keje me beje no more e mi like your tuber ovarian abscess nyal dong ke take infections mi che je ka pelvic de whether to take a like urinary tract infection let me put it this way don't get take min ngade a sexual transmitted disease jo to mo de la what a man gonorrhea chlamydia vaginosis can you the toll like kind of trouble like kind of walk me like chala polybian tube me can walk a polybian tube like can me chala like an abscess like an apple abscess the more pain de cherni ke jen rupture ovarian system mo ka cherni ke appendicitis peje long ba go ba rule out but me jen la fever mi di la ja cause be ngum di be cause bi check be long men di en ba di won dong chet ke je ectopic pregnancy mi check mu ngot ka dap ka te dual te ke chance ko and the more da jen tuong e chiro release medan but jaban court o che ruit che ban tok ka na ban chuk gwa da ruitin alo da ka na chuk gwa u nga gwa da ruitin che ro da ban implant ka nuk ka tup ka na ban ka uterus itself man kula look check so mi check ke ruit tok ngwa mo ruit mo la check na ka very deadly la gorjo balel so min kwala lar min dien mi la yola PID pelvic inflammatory disease so anyway kan jwa da ngwana to la category dien la ba ken ka bay dien la chade so the only way in ba ka distinguish keje e wo ba ultrasound balat mi chi work emergency room most of the time jeng call ni your OBGYN be you know no wait a little bit work emergency room ba ji nong rek be doctor be jidu be tiap be ling kwa che physical exam kan no be do to rode most of the time la to all of sentence da to bo a chang le ni exercise you know da to bo chang ji na kap na gat da to be me very sentence like that jaka a che wo do ko kan dog diality mu wo do wal ke ya kan ngwan diality doctor ko ken ti ke jen ovarian rupture ovarian cyst ba ka long rule out ke ultrasound so good news is Paul Wide yo mi cha we jegan go a cyst rupture then ba mu ke pain medicine mi be je long dong ba ji twaj ba ja binien ke one day dol wal ko ba kula monitor sometime take a farmer to go to surgery min go get surgery sometime and riam chi loin mi cha lo loin and sesamo ka chi te pi the long ki dit ka chi blood vessel to one chi wotin la doro to go dong be loin be increase be jain ko loin and loin mo sometime dong be riam chi be drop la hemoglobin be drop to point where we check with the wheel along you know don't be check we go to you know at least riam ba caption ke ba nyok replace me be je long be you and surgeon be ben be and pelvic floor it's riam lointino ba wa clean through surgery ba de tangwan go to it but dag along go to it but take a point take a ramkel me and me had involved with so it is not rule out like jawarat ka kamla rat ka long wala wa clean floor ko jiran tong mi rechin che riam no long thing you know ajen kujele no ramichi te ke bleeding rate la jira be jelong o ko kane reran mi kane ja obriem butin you know gang kon ke je you know gang kon ke je kare o ri mi che wudji tell a what they ngai ke ko cha nen but immediately a very sensitive to me thought me real me ji de be ji de ba long. So anyway, be obiju and doctor bo they will clean out by the treatment, but real the treatment them did along ngu e wo by mo ke pain medications by just support ke IV pollute by just support mu guru riem by mo ke riem but by doctor in chalar ba make sure we chak rule out min de ko la fa ngoni nye mane kon nye kon man kon jana ko 24 no it just chira complain this is just a period baran jogo na ma tell me tin just a period ran ngaje kake chen tin ran kake ngaje batch period mi chuo batch no sure goron wo ibi te changaje ibi gor bi root chang because there were few times the la patient have lost keke ko yo let's say for example me and system mo chawa hemorrhagic midi lo chawa lo nya long chi hemoglobin chawa drop be check with the will be check ja be dehydrated then be check bacteria me could circulate to the brain the ramola ja lost kijin bo me chi chu self diagnose chang lo chi chu la ro kan te lo ti and then but go now don't be tubal ovarian abscess don't be miss don't identity to don't be ectopic pregnancy me all of a sudden to talk we never know ko ne birth control it can I don't tell a birth control 100% me la 100% and me check look the camera tell a birth control me 100% the most effective one at 99%, but there's still one chance go there out. So me you rule out now. Can tell a bit point up. No. So the to organize the ectopic pregnancy, which rupture. Do you miss Ramo da corner lose jagwa. So min go a lot of corner go yes. They take care of our mothers, our sister. Let pay attention to their complaint. Trying to brush under the table. Go one chick brush under the table. Do me the attention mugo be miss. Not only that, there are other jobs to like nyamana konka root more than they should. As part of our care as a community, leng na bed nyamana dan. Go can they so resilient. They could deal paying for a long time. Sometimes like can find neglect. One tirani inform and go and pay nemakanga. Check character got. Check go to buy yam partner, bagui chi. So go to be attention be a tuptin. Be no ER. Let make a diagnosis. A neighbor diagnosis but make. I'll tell me chalu in a good long like we do well. Nothing. Me what ramadwal I don't think ramalenya ka dwal ka ket ka continue bi ndiali ram hela yoro e wonga de medara nak ko mi chi lara mi chaga la de ken and rupture of ovarian system ken ectopic pregnancy ke appendicitis e wo ken di albay din chere ka to kwikel da will take ran dwal ko now ngi unless CNN you cannot prove it. So for that being said, agent topic to mo go lat kono rewde o larne kono yes me me let use whatever you call come corner miti ke chance go bo dwal we don't like to lose anybody again ka ken mo nyitini mostly nyia kon nyiri tiene la dwal ka kono be ken kon lar tin be ke rather than they would in yen gan yet and you never know, you don't know exactly and would beg come could encourage and go me take me bake your public please let us know period la beje but take it to associate with it all this is take around them ka barula ordinate in tin ngai na money So ane jen I'm go ready la this morning. So bane legit next time. Ane we bokot bokon po. Thank you.